Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, on this day, sincerely, I didn't plan to shoot this vlog, but if you're used to filming, it is very easy for you to just pick up your camera and do one or two anytime, any day. So guys, on this day, yes, as somebody that is watching my weight, as a mom of two that is watching my weight, I decided to do intermittent fasting for that day, because I usually do intermittent fasting, but I am not buying myself about it. I am not doing it like my life depends on it. Yes, and I'm still seeing results, yeah, because I don't eat late night food. So on this particular day, I had done my intermittent fasting and it was around 1 o'clock. I then decided that yes, I am hungry, I don't know what to eat, and I don't want to eat junks. I just decided to do this local dish, and trust me guys, I so much enjoyed it. I usually do eat this local dish, but guys, it's been a while, and my sister came around and we decided to do it together, and we loved it guys. Trust the process, guys. It was so delicious, and you would love to try it. And if you've tried it, let me know under the comment section. Bye for now guys. is it? How is it?